How to set up the Scan to Email feature for the HP Color LaserJet Pro 3301 through 3304 and 3388 printer series. Setting up the Scan to Email feature allows you to send a scanned document or image to an email address directly from the control panel of your printer. To configure Scan to Email, you must access the Printer Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short. Note: before getting started, make sure the printer is connected to the same network as the computer. On the printer control panel, swipe down the status center from the top center to display the printer IP address. On a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and type the printer IP address into the address bar. Press Enter to access the EWS. If you receive a warning screen, select the option to proceed to the site. Accessing the printer EWS will not harm your computer. Expand the General tab in the left pane. Then select Email Servers. Note: if prompted to enter a PIN, type the printer PIN code found on the inside of the toner access door. Select Sign In. From the Email Servers menu, select the plus icon. If you or your organization use one email server for emails, select SMTP server. If you or your organization use multiple email servers for emails, select User-Defined Email Profile. Enter your display name and the email address. Enter the outgoing mail SMTP server information. For SMTP server information, contact the email service provider or system administrator. The information needed includes SMTP server name, which is the email provider server address, SMTP port number, which is the port value for the email server, and maximum size of email. Most email providers or clients limit the size of email attachments, typically ranging from 10 megabytes to 50 megabytes for free accounts. Enable Always Use Secure Connection SSL/TLS for security purposes. Note: do not enable Validate Certificates if no certificate was imported to the printer. If the SMTP server or user-defined email profile requires authentication to send an email, select Server Requires Authentication. For email services that require two-step verification for authentication, enter the username, which is your email address, and the password, which is your Gmail, Hotmail, or Outlook app password. This password is the one you generated through your email account. To require a PIN to be entered on the printer control panel before a printer can send a scan, enable Use Security PIN. Enter and then confirm your PIN. This PIN must be entered on the control panel each time the profile is used to send a scan to an email address. Select Add to complete the setup. To test the email server for the new email profile you created, select the checkbox for the new email profile. Select the test icon and then select Test. You receive an email if the test was successful. Select OK.